Alrighty guys, today I just got my wheels and my tires in, finally. I got some Proline big jump here. I'm going to show you guys how to take these and these, put them together and get something like this. First off, you got to get all your screws out and take your rings off. The two rings here. I have actuals, so they're double beadlocks. One ring on both sides. First, with your tire, you're going to want to push the foam into the tire, pulling the outside of the lip out. It'll make it easier later on once you pull this lip out. There you go. Make sure the foam's going all the way around, nice and even. Okay, then you're gonna get your tire and your wheel, tire and your wheel, and then just push it right on in. Only push the one side in. Though be careful, the edges on the rims are really sharp and they could rip stuff. So be nice and easy on them, but you gotta be firm enough to get it in. There you go. That's how it should be, but you gotta push it in all the way. Then flip the tire over and see how the tire's on the inside of the rim. You gotta pull that lip out. Just work it out, pulling it out. And just keep pushing your rim in. Working your foam on get your foam on the inside there, so you see how it is? It should be on the inside of this where the rim is, so it's not overhanging. Now what I like to do is while you have the chance, you see how this side's all fine right now? Drop this wheel right into the bead. There is a groove around here for the wheel to go in, for the tire to go in. Just work that all the way around. Make sure it's sitting in, make sure the tire is sitting in that groove properly all the way around. And push it down in there. And I like to put one of the rings on now, one of these on now, so you don't have to worry about it falling off later. It'll make it a little easier, I think, anyways. And when you're putting the screws in, make sure you go on somewhat of a star pattern and go opposite of each other so you pull that ring down evenly all the way around. At this point, I only put 4 screws in, just to get the tire to sit there and not move around on me. When you're putting these screws in, make sure you do put it down evenly so you don't tighten one up more than the other too much. Okay, you got this one ring in with 4 screws. Now flip it over, and you got this side to deal with. See how the foam is not on the inside there? Make sure you drop it on the inside of the rim. Once you have it all down, drop this tire into that groove again. See how this is popping up? It's just because I don't have the foam in all the way down, and it's pushing it around on me. Okay, once that bead is all set, drop your bead lock ring on and put 4 screws in. Once again, making sure that you put even pressure around. Okay, to try to shorten this up, I'm just going to show you the pattern that I'm not going to show you how I'm putting all the screws in. I'll just tell you how I did it. I have all these screws tightened down, mostly firm. And then I put a screw here, then a screw here. Then I put a screw here, then a screw here, then go over here, here, then so on until you make sure you keep going back and forth across the rim. Make sure you put an even pressure on. Then you go around it again and make sure they're all tightened down again. That's basically all you do. So you get from these over here, putting them to get to this. Alrighty guys, here I am finished installing these. Black chrome wheels. They definitely have make it a lot wider truck.